So I've not been telling any of my friends and family about the channel because I kind of want it to grow organically, and I kind of want to surprise everybody when I got loads of followers and go, oh, look what I did. So I let my mate know, which I shouldn't have done because he's a bit of an idiot. He watched a couple of videos. He just sent me a text message saying, I don't get it, it's just you eating. Well, yeah. And it is a bit weird when you think of it like that, isn't it? Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Stockton Heath and we're here because they've started doing jack potatoes at Subway's for dinner or tea, whatever you want really. So special thank you to Mel for letting me know about these jack potatoes. Really appreciate that. If anybody has any suggestions for videos, just leave them in the comments and I'll try and get to them. But yeah, for now, let's go and try out the Subway jack potato and see how we get on. Right, how depressing is it out here? It's bloody pouring down. Right, so we've got the jacket potato, but we're going to head back to the car to try it because I ain't sitting in this and eating it. So I'll see you once we get back to the car. Right, I'm absolutely wet through. Yeah, it's pouring down. What bloody awful day. Before we get into this, I'm not holding out much hope. So do you remember when we did the breakfast sub and they were relying on that oven to warm everything up again? Exactly the same deal here. So the jack potato was cold and sat there pre-cooked, God knows how long ago, and they just tried to warm it up in the oven at the back. They're not fresh cooked jack potatoes. So let me tell you which one I ordered. Because I can't bloody remember now. So I ordered the spicy Italian and cheese jack potato for $5.99. It wasn't ready when I turned up and they seem to be having a bad day in there, so I don't want to criticise them too much. But this is what it looks like. So we've got the jack potato, lettuce, there should be some meat somewhere. Lettuce, onions. I mean, first of all I just want to know if the jack potato is warm, so let's try it. The jack potato is warm, so that's a good start. So the jack potato skin is really, really thick. So if I try and get some off to show you, you kind of get an impression of how thick the jack potato skin is. So it's obviously been cooked a while before, hasn't it? I mean, you've got your standard Subway meats on here, which are nice, but the jack potato just feels like, if I can try and show you, it just feels like dry inside. So I'm going to try some of the jack potato with the meat. I'm assuming it's salami or something. This is what it looks like now. We've dug into it a little bit more. It's a bit of a mess. Look how thick the skin is on it. So I guess I'm in two minds at the moment. I mean, I quite like it because of the Southwest sauce. And you can get it with meatballs as well, and I think that would be really, really nice. But with just the meat and the potato, it's just a little bit dry, if I'm being honest. It's a peculiar setup. I think you need to get a sauce, don't you? It's got to be mentioned as well that the staff didn't really know what they were doing with it. One member of the staff said to the other, have you done the course yet on the jacket potatoes? And it's like, no. It did seem to like they were fluking the way through it, bless them. So looking at it, I think you get the same amount of meat that you would do on a 6-inch sub. And it's a bit dear, isn't it, at £6? I think you get a Subway half sub for about, is it £3.99, £4? Again, my only criticism of this is that the skin's a bit thick in places, so it's been cooked a while, or overcooked initially, and the potato in it just feels a bit dry. It's definitely claggy, but the meat's nice, the onions are nice, the salads are nice. So can I live with a claggy potato? Probably. Again, just look at this. Look how thick the skin is. It's alright. It is, it's alright. Am I super excited by it? Not really. Would I get it again? I'd be tempted to try it from another Subway because this is only the second day it's been up and running. Clearly, the staff were struggling a little bit. They didn't really know what they were doing. So I wonder in another couple of weeks if I went back, would the potatoes be less dry? I don't know. So I think personally it needs more cheese on it. If they put more cheese in it, it probably would have helped negate the dryness of the potato. Made it a bit more, just a bit more cheesy. I think that would have helped. But at the moment it just feels a little bit dry. It's gone, all gone. Final thoughts. I wish they were cooked fresh. That's probably never going to happen. I think they'd be a lot nicer. So I guess the question you guys want to know is, should you try it? You shouldn't go out your way to try it. It's nothing special. They're not breaking new ground in potatoes. They're just warming up pre-cooked potatoes and adding a basic sandwich filling on top of it. Nothing to get super excited by, but I like the trying new stuff. I like it when they do this. It's easy to get stuck in a rut and just think I'm a sandwich store. So I'm glad they're not doing that. But get an oven and do it properly. Don't do this halfway measure. If you're going to do potatoes, do them properly, Mr. Subway. I keep getting this thing that pops up on the YouTube app that lets me know a lot of you aren't subscribed. So please do that because, you know, I'd like to retire in Hawaii. Am I minded to get another one? I wouldn't get that one, if I'm being honest. As I said, I might give it a couple of weeks, go back and try the meatball one. I don't know how you're ever going to get over the issue that the potatoes are pre-cooked and just sat there. Because I think there is a really good opportunity for jack potatoes. No one's doing anything particularly great with them at the moment on a nationwide basis. Definitely an opportunity there. Is this it? Probably not. I don't think. It's just dry. Why is everything dry and cold? At least it wasn't cold. It was warm. And I was fearing it was going to be really cold actually, but it wasn't. So that is something. I think for £6, it's not too bad. If they get it right at that kind of price point, somewhere between a half sub and a full sub, you've got the kind of this jacket potato offering. If they get it right. So if you're new here and you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe. And even if you don't like what you've seen, I got wet for this, like proper wet. It's the least you could do. And in case you're wondering why I look like a bit of a tit today, I'm in work. These are my work clothes. I have to dress sensible for work. I've had the worst morning in work as well. The worst morning in work. Anyway, you guys don't care about that. You just want to see me eat potato. All right, I'm going to go. You guys have a great day. See you soon.